Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your JET DC-1100VX Series Dust Collector. Make sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. For best results, maintaining your JET DC-1100VX Series Dust Collector should be standard shop procedure. Cleaning both the canister filter and collector bags will keep performance at its optimum. To clean the filter, turn the handle a couple of rotations so the dust falls into the collection bag. When removing the collector bag, wearing a particle mask or respirator for protection against fine dust particles during cleaning is highly recommended. Remove the collector bag by pushing the ring of the collector bag upwards at an angle and pulling the bag and snap ring out. Empty the contents into an appropriate container. To replace the collector bag, place the snap ring over the top of the plastic bag and fold the bag over the ring approximately 3 inches. Insert the snap ring of the collector bag into the bottom of the housing at an angle. Pull down on the snap ring to make sure it seats in the housing, making sure the snap ring snaps into place in the housing, and also that the plastic bag hangs down approximately 3 inches so that there are no air leaks. To maintain the motor, make frequent inspections of the motor fan. Blow out with a low-pressure air hose or vacuum any accumulation of foreign material in order to maintain normal motor ventilation. If you have any further maintenance questions about your JET DC-1100VX Series Dust Collector, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your JET tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each JET tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.